Welcome to our session on boosting productivity with AI tools. In this exciting 15-minute training, we'll explore powerful AI tools designed to enhance your efficiency and empower your team. I'll take you on a journey to explore how AI tools can transform the way we work, automate repetitive tasks, and help us focus on what truly matters. We'll also dive into some practical demonstrations to show you these tools in action. So let's get started. AI-powered technologies are increasingly being adopted across industries to optimize workflows, to cut costs, and create better customer experiences. But what exactly is AI? It refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think and act like humans. These machines are capable of learning, reasoning, and even self-correcting. AI is not just about robots. It powers the applications and devices we use every day, making them smarter and more efficient. In simple terms, AI can learn from information, just like people learn from experience. For example, if you show a lot of pictures of cats to an AI, it learns to recognize what a cat looks like. It can make decisions based on the information it has. For example, it can decide what movie to recommend to you based on the movies you've watched before. AI is also good at finding patterns. For example, it can recognize your face in a photo or understand your voice when you speak. Investing in AI is proving to be a game changer for businesses. According to the EY AI Pulse survey of 2024, 77% of organizations report improved operational efficiencies. 74% see higher employee productivity, and 72% experience increased customer satisfaction as a direct result of AI adoption. Interestingly, while AI tops technology investment priorities at 12%, areas like data transformation, essential for training AI systems, lag behind at just 6%. This highlights a potential gap in ensuring the data foundation is robust enough to support AI advancements. Bridging this gap is critical for businesses to fully leverage the potential of AI-driven solutions. AI is revolutionizing customer service. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, businesses can provide 24/7 customer support, handle inquiries efficiently, and resolve issues faster than ever before. These technologies not only improve customer satisfaction, but also significantly reduce operational costs. By combining speed, accuracy, and availability, AI is setting new standards for customer service excellence. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI systems uncover patterns and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. This enables companies to make more informed and accurate decisions. For instance, predictive analytics powered by AI can forecast market trends and customer behavior, helping businesses stay ahead of the competition. Tools like robotic process automation streamline operations, freeing employees to focus on higher-value strategic activities. This not only boosts productivity, but also enhances job satisfaction by allowing teams to dedicate their time to work on what truly matters. AI enhances experiences by using data to create personalized interactions. From tailored marketing campaigns to customized product recommendations, AI helps deliver solutions that meet individual needs. This approach improves satisfaction and builds stronger connections, making interactions more meaningful and effective. AI is transforming security by monitoring and analyzing activities in real time. Through advanced machine learning models, AI can detect unusual patterns and flag potential security threats, helping to prevent fraud and safeguard sensitive information. By enhancing security measures, AI ensures a safer and more reliable environment for businesses and individuals alike. By predicting demand, managing inventory, and optimizing delivery routes, AI helps businesses streamline their operations. This not only reduces costs, but also ensures timely deliveries, improving customer satisfaction and overall efficiency. By providing advanced tools and methods for research and development, AI accelerates the creation of new products and services. This helps organizations maintain a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We'll start with an overview of key tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Notion AI, and Presentations.ai. These tools are essential for drafting content, improving writing, organizing tasks, and automating presentations. ChatGPT is a versatile AI assistant perfect for drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, and creating professional reports. It's your go-to tool for enhancing communication and ensuring your messages are clear and effective. Feel free to look for our course on how to use ChatGPT for more details. Grammarly is your writing companion, helping you improve grammar, tone, and clarity. Whether you're drafting an email or a report, Grammarly ensures your communication is polished and professional, making a great impression every time. Let's see an example. Visit the website Grammarly.com. Once you land on the Grammarly homepage, you can click on the Sign Up for the free account button. With the free account, you get all of the base functionality, and you also get 100 AI credits. And in a moment, we'll look at what you can do with those. Next step is to install Grammarly on your devices. Once you finish signing up, you will land on the main Grammarly account page. From the left menu, click on Apps. Right up at the top, you can install Grammarly on Windows or on Mac. This way it'll pop up when you're in your favorite applications like, say, Outlook, Word, or PowerPoint. You can also add an extension to your web browser. This way you can use it across your favorite websites. You could also use it on your iPhone, your iPad, and your Android, so you can use Grammarly when you are on the go. Go ahead and install Grammarly for Windows. We will now try to use Grammarly in Outlook to write an email. Imagine you are a sales representative following up with a potential client after a product demo. The goal is to thank them for their time, address any questions they may have, and guide them toward the next steps. Open Outlook and compose a new email. When you click on the email body, you will see a green icon pop up. This is Grammarly powered by AI, a tool that will help you with your communications. When you start typing, Grammarly will display suggestions to improve your email. You can review the suggestions and simply accept or ignore them. Accepting the suggestions will replace the sentence or the word. Similarly, you can use Grammarly in Word, web browser, and mobile. Now, imagine you are a team leader who needs to send an update to your department. Pause the video, go through the scenario, and draft an email. Don't forget to use Grammarly to check your email. Go ahead and try it out. Notion AI boosts productivity by organizing tasks and creating summaries. It's perfect for managing projects and consolidating meeting notes into actionable tasks, keeping your team aligned and on track with ease. Notion AI is able to search Notion, Slack, and Google Drive, generate and edit content, analyze PDFs and images, and chat using real-world knowledge. Visit the website Notion.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are set, select Projects from the menu items on the left. This is to ensure that we have some data for the Notion AI to work with. Create a sample project. Here you can view project timelines, active and completed projects, and much more. Go ahead and click on Notion AI and select Summarize to get a summary of your project. You can even ask it to provide a list of your tasks, or check if your project is on track. Imagine this. You're staring at a long list of tasks with tight deadlines, feeling completely overwhelmed. You're not sure where to start and everything seems equally urgent. Then a colleague suggests using Notion AI to get organized and regain control. Pause the video and try to create sample tasks. Then ask Notion AI to prioritize the tasks for you. Wow, that was great. So far, we have seen how Grammarly and Notion AI can help us work more efficiently. Now, let's look at another tool which will help you create presentations in no time. Brainstorm your ideas, conduct your research, and ask ChatGPT to create the content for your presentations. If you are clear about your topic, you may directly use presentations.ai, and it will generate your content as well as your slides. Visit the website, presentations.ai, click on Try for free and create your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you can select Start from an idea. If you don't have the script or content ready, you can simply type in your topic and AI will generate the slides for you. Import your content option will allow you to upload a file or import from URL. Let's go ahead and select Start from an idea. Type in your idea or topic. Here we are going to create a presentation on effective leadership styles for modern organizations. You can also upload a link to a website for the AI to fetch relevant content or upload a supporting document. Don't forget to select number of slides required and the language in which you need your slides in. Click on Submit. AI will generate the slides as well as the content for you. You can select the theme, and within seconds your presentation with transitions will be ready. So many hours of work just saved. Click on the play button to view your presentation in full screen. You will notice that animations and transitions are auto-created. Infographics and images are also added. You can make changes by selecting Remix or using the toolbar on the right. The presentation can be shared and exported into different formats depending on the license you have. Time for you to try it out. You've been tasked with creating a presentation for an upcoming team meeting about a new project initiative, but you're not sure where to start. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and designing, you decide to use presentation.ai to streamline the process. Pause the video and give it a try. We have seen some great tools to improve workplace productivity. Now let's look at how E and UAE, formerly known as Etisalat, has harnessed the power of AI to transform its operations and customer experiences. E and UAE has revolutionized customer experiences through AI-powered virtual assistants that provide multilingual, hyper-personalized interactions. These initiatives not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also drive substantial revenue growth. They did this by focusing on 3 key areas. Etisalat focused on streamlining and automating business processes, reducing operational costs, and enhancing agility and data-driven decision-making. They combined AI initiatives with sustainable practices and contributed to environmental goals and responsible growth. People is the main key to the success. Promoting continuous learning and innovation along with cultivated a forward-thinking organizational culture is a must. Furthermore, it also focused on key partnerships and investments to accelerate growth and innovation. Now it's your turn. Try using Grammarly to draft a team announcement or Notion AI to summarize a document. Share your results with the group and see how these tools can transform your workflow. To maximize AI tools' benefits, start small by focusing on one tool or feature. Provide detailed inputs for better outputs and integrate these tools into your existing workflows for seamless automation and collaboration. Collaboration is key. Share your AI tool results with your team to ensure alignment and gather feedback. Use presentations.ai to automate creation of your presentations or Grammarly to refine a team newsletter. Unlocking endless possibilities. As with any technology, challenges may arise. Address the learning curve by exploring tutorials and documentation. Customize tools to meet your specific needs and ensure compatibility for smooth integration. If a tool isn't working as expected, don't worry. Check online forums or support resources for quick solutions. These communities are invaluable for troubleshooting and enhancing your AI tool experience. AI tools are here to make your work easier and more efficient. By incorporating tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Notion AI, presentations.ai, you can save time, improve accuracy, and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining this session on boosting productivity with AI tools. We hope you feel inspired to integrate these powerful tools into your workflows and start enhancing your productivity today.